Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome to Semi Bulgar's channel. Today, we're diving into a review of the new Suzuki Jimny AllGrip, the compact 4x4 that's making waves with its unique blend of off-road capability and retro charm. The new Suzuki Jimny AllGrip, with a starting price of $34,990, is a car that stands out in the compact 4x4 segment. While it may not excel in on-road performance and offers limited cargo space, it shines with its rugged off-road abilities and quirky, boxy design. Under the hood, the Jimny packs a 1.5-liter four-cylinder petrol engine, churning out 75 kilowatts at 6,000 RPM and 130 millimeters at 4,000 RPM. This might not sound like much, but paired with the part-time Ford system, high and low-range options, and the AllGrip Pro tech, the Jimny is more than capable off-road. On the road, however, it's a different story. The ride is bouncy, and it requires effort to keep it straight, making it an acquired taste for daily driving. Inside, the Jimny is basic but functional. The 5-door variant offers a bit more cargo space than the 3-door model, though it's still on the tight side. Standard equipment includes a 9.0-inch touchscreen multimedia system with wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto, adaptive cruise control, rear parking sensors, a rear-view camera, LED headlights, and 15-inch alloy wheels. The seats are comfortable enough for short trips, but longer journeys might feel a bit cramped, especially for taller passengers. Fuel efficiency is a mixed bag. During our test, we recorded 11.6 liters per 100 kilometers, which is on the higher side. However, this included a lot of high and low-range 4-watting. With a 40L fuel tank, this translates to a real-world driving range of about 345 kilometers. Official figures suggest a range of about 625 kilometers per tank, so if you stick to more regular driving, you might get closer to that.